In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the monday.com free plan, whether you're organizing your workflow, managing projects, or simply trying to keep track of your tasks. Monday.com is a powerful tool that can help you stay on top of things. So let's dive right in. To get started, first, head to monday.com. You can do this using any web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once you're on the website, you'll need to sign up if you're a new user, or log in if you already have an account. Signing up is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts to enter your details and create your account. If you're logging in, simply enter your credentials and you'll be ready to go. Once you're in, it's time to set up your first board. Click on the plus new board button. This is where you'll centralize your tasks and projects. Give your board a name that reflects the purpose it will serve, whether that's for personal tasks, work projects, or any other area you need to manage. After naming your board, you'll need to select the columns that will appear on it. Columns in monday.com are entirely customizable. They can be used to track information like deadlines, assignees, status, or any other detail pertinent to the tasks on the board. Think about the kind of information you want to manage and display on your board, and choose your columns accordingly. Next, you can start adding tasks, or as they're also called, items, to your board. These represent the individual pieces of work or actions that you need to keep track of. Add tasks by clicking on the relevant section and filling in the necessary details. You can assign these tasks to yourself or team members, set due dates, and apply any other information specific to each task. Once your tasks are set up, it's time to choose a board view. Monday.com offers several views: table, calendar, Kanban, and more to suit different organizational preferences. Experiment with these views to find one that best fits your workflow, and don't hesitate to switch between them as your needs evolve. Finally, be mindful of your usage, especially since you're on the free plan. The free version of monday.com has limits on features like the number of users and the storage available. To make the most of what's available, keep your boards organized and regularly maintain them by archiving or deleting completed tasks. This not only helps you stay efficient, but also ensures you don't run into any space issues. And there you have it, your quick guide to getting started with a free plan on monday.com. Remember, like any tool, effectively using monday.com takes a bit of practice and adjustment, so give yourself time to explore its features. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.